Today we're going to be playing some chess games. So, game. Easy game. Who we versing next? Ooh, another 900 there. Let's kill this dude. He's easy peasy. I mean, I used to be 900, but how hard can it be? Being 900. Yeah! Ponziani time. I love the Ponziani. It's so good. It's just so brutal. Let's see what he goes for. If he goes d5, I'm going to be surprised. I know my variations, obviously. I'm doing a lot of research. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, no. You need to be careful now because we've got 4 pawns. Just be careful. Let's see this. Let's see this. What is he gonna do? I wonder what this game's gonna be like. Because I'm just covering that. I'm going to cover that square because I want my queen to have that check open. Like, I just love that check. It's so helpful. Like, if he goes there, check it. Ooh. Ooh. He's trying to stop my check. I mean, it's reasonable. Reasonable to stop the check. I I've already put the pawns on like 10 times and I've won like 6, 7 games out of them. Before I lost was against like 1800s, I think. 1800s. So it wasn't that like horrendously embarrassing. If I lost to 100, I'd be like, oh god, that's horrid. I mean, who wants to lose to 100? Unless you're 100. But it doesn't matter. The pin. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, the pin will be that the blocks that I take and he takes and I take and he takes and they're just a fair trade, isn't it? That's fun. Let's see what we get done. Now castle's queenside. I've got a nasty trap. Ooh, he castle queenside. Ooh, he castle queenside. Let's do this. So this trap is I take the pawn, he tries to lock me up. He tries to lock up the bishop. Who doesn't try that? And I check with the light square bishop when I checkmate. I played that trap 10 times. Maybe 20, I'm not sure. But it's just a checkmate and nearly everyone fell for it. Like one person not fell for it. One. That's like a 99% win rate or something. So I love that a lot. And if it doesn't work, I just storm the pawn straight up into his house. Ugh, can't believe it can't. Ooh. You're just trying to stop me from doing my plan. Well, I'm just gonna now. I know you're not supposed to do 2 moves in an opening, but I'm gonna pull it back anyway. Just anyway. So I can pull it back anyway. Okay, yeah, now I'm gonna pull it back anyway. I know that sounds horrible, but he's gonna fall for the trap. Loads of people fall for that trap, so watch. Watch. I guarantee you'll fall for that trap. You'll fall for that trap. Or maybe you won't. If he doesn't fall for the trap, that's just bad news for me. But he should. And he's not gonna notice that anymore. He's gonna do some pawn move or a knight move. Or even a queen move. I mean, he doesn't have many queen moves, but he'll do a queen move. Ooh, see, I told you. He took my hanging pawn. I'll take his hanging pawn. And he is definitely, I can guarantee you, going to push that pawn. If he doesn't, my god, I'm surprised. But he's going to do that.